What does it mean to you to be licensed to create?
It means everything. It's always been a dream of mine to do hair, and it provides me with a creative outlet, a great job. It really means a lot to me to be able to make people feel great for a living and to be able to be licensed to create.
It means just expressing myself in a way that I can make other people feel good about themselves too. That's a big deal to me.
To be licensed to create means you have the ability to just create beautiful things on the daily, express yourself, whether it's through hair, whether it's through other art forms and stuff, and you just have the ability to do so.
To be licensed to create means to learn before you serve. As a hairdresser and a humanitarian, it kind of just goes both ways. We need to be able, like, at the end of the day, our job is to make people feel happy. When you get a bad hair service, you feel worse about yourself. When you get a good hair service, you feel better about yourself. So it doesn't matter who it is that sits in your chair, whether they're a billionaire or they're homeless, they walk away with the exact same feeling of a higher level of self-confidence. So we just need to make sure that we take care of our clients to the best of our abilities.
Mark, you won't say this, but in humanitarian, you're the man. And I'm telling you right now, it's amazing. Congratulations.
For me, to be licensed to create means it's just an opportunity to show our art in a different form that most people look at our art form as a hobby, where with a license to create, that gives us the opportunity to show that it's a business and it's not a hobby, it's actually a career. And this is a way that we provide for our family to get our art form out and heard around the world.
I find it an obligation to create, we're licensed, we're blessed, we're passionate, and like whatever you've got going for you, whatever vibe you've got going, it's your obligation to create and spread that vibe onto the world.
I think honestly it's just being able to like harness your own style and just understand who you are as an artist, but it also kind of ends up, I don't know, helping you figure out who you are as a person at the same time. It's kind of like a whole journey in a way of just kind of figuring out your own stuff and what your specific style is. And it's kind of cool being able to figure that out through nail art and stuff.
Whew. Well, License to Create allows me to showcase my passion, of what I love to do, and that's that's men's hair, So I'm really honored to have Cosmoprof, host this event, and it's really great to be out there and be showcased as one of the best, So I'm happy to be here and speak to Modern Salon.
To inspire others and to just be creative and show up for the underdogs, I guess, from small town Tooele, Utah, very small.
It means that I get to help people feel better about themselves on a daily basis, doing something I love, so it's nothing. That's the beautiful thing about this industry. It's being selfless to make other people feel amazing.
Really, it's ability. Once you get your professional license, you can be anywhere, anybody, and you're free to be yourself. And I think that's one of the most wonderful things about hairdressing is that if you're licensed, you can go anywhere in the world. You can investigate all the 150 different avenues in hairdressing and beauty that you can do. For me, every time I meet people and people come up to me and say, "Hi, what do you do?" And I'm always proud to say, instead of just hairdresser or whatever, I'm proud to say, I work in beauty. I'm a hairdresser. If you work in color, I work in beauty. I'm a colorist. Do you know what we need to make ourselves more proud and frame who we are? We're not just somebody. We're influencers. We bring fashion to our clientele. We bring new ideas and comfort. So important to realize that the kinder you are, the more successful your life will be. I come from loving parents who loved me, and probably not all the time, but they respected me and let me be who it is I wanted to be. And so I'm so grateful for that, to have love and encouragement. So I encourage all of you, especially when you're, as hairdressers or colorists, that you talk to your family when you have gatherings together and state how proud you are to do it. You do, and explain to your children what it is that you specialize. If you're a colorist, say, your mom is a colorist at such and such a salon, and my favorite color this month is lavender. And then you tell them, explain to them. So when kids ask them, well, what do your parents do? You can be proud to say, well, my mom works in beauty. She's a colorist. And you know what she told me about blah, 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 blah. We need the love. We've got the love. I think everybody that has a license has a sense of kindness inside themselves and so much love to get. So I encourage all of you to just be prouder of who you are and enjoy your career.
Oh, it means so much. I mean, it's more than just being a hairstylist, but being a creative, like being able to share a passionate community, and definitely like with your clients too inside the salon. I think it's really important to just be able to create and inspire all over the place.